Hey everyone. If your Discord server is getting spammed with bots, fake messages, or raid attacks in 2026, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to secure your Discord server from spam. First, increase your server verification level. This helps block new or suspicious accounts from joining too quickly. Next, enable Discord AutoMod. This feature automatically filters spam messages and harmful content. Now, restrict permissions for new members. Remove access to things like sending links, images, or external invites. After that, add a verification system using CAPTCHA or a bot. This ensures only real users can join your server. Next, enable slow mode in active channels. This limits how fast users can send messages and reduces spam. Now, control invite links. Only trusted members should be allowed to invite others to the server. Finally, use moderation bots. These bots can detect spam, mute users, and automatically ban raid accounts. So yeah, that's how you secure your Discord server from spam in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your server will stay safe, clean, and protected. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Discord tutorials for fast and easy fixes. Hey everyone,